Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and little mini demo using the Nudestix Mini Nude Skin Kit. This comes with 3 shades in here for your eyes, face, and lips. The eyes color is Sun-Kissed, the face color is Hey Honey, and the lips color is Sweet Peach Peony. Now, their products are kind of formulated where you can use whatever you want, wherever you want, however you want. So, I used all 3 colors on my skin today, and I'm going to show you exactly how I used it and let you know if I like it. So if you're interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the set comes in this really cute box. I love that all of their packaging has a mirror inside and you can use these tins for anything. You don't have to just use it for their products. I actually have one in my car that I put little mini perfume samples in so that if I forget to put perfume on, I have that in the car, and I have a little mirror to kind of check and touch up anything, and it's just really handy. So recycle them and use them for different things. This set is $25 and it comes with these 3 little chubby sticks, and they are super teeny tiny and cute. And I kind of like the size of these because it allows you to try out the products without committing to a full size and then wasting product. I also find that I literally have never ever in my life finished any cream product, lipstick kind of thing all the way through. I've only ever finished mascara, eyeliner, this little cream bronzer from Chanel. I've actually gone through a couple of these. It's very rare that I actually get through products, but I also have quite a bit of makeup, and I'm sure if you were using this every single day, you might get through these, but it's a great size to travel with. It's a great size to kind of see how you get along with the product, and I'm happy with the size and the price point, but I know that they can seem very itty bitty teeny for most people. So I'm going to talk you through them in order of operation, how I applied them, and let you know my thoughts on them as we go. So the first color right here is Sweet Peach Peony, and this one is supposed to be for your lips. I didn't use this on my lips. I used something else on my lips today. I actually used this as my blush. So really simple. All I did was I literally took this product, I put a few lines on my cheek, and then I took a stippling brush, and you can totally use your fingers as well. This is the Morphe M436 brush, and then I just used the stippling brush to stipple and drag the product over my cheek where I wanted more color. And it just adds a beautiful flush of color to the cheeks. I really like this color as a cheek color. You can use this on your eyelids as well, a little bit on your nose for that little sun-kissed look, on your lips. However you want to use this is going to be a-okay. But I will say that with all 3 of these products and with Nudestix in general, I prefer to work section by section instead of putting the product all over my face, because it does dry very quickly and then it becomes a little bit harder to work with. I have also thought that maybe that's because I'm using a brush to blend the product instead of my fingers, and the added warmth of your fingers will add a little bit more ease with blendability, but I don't like to get makeup all over my hands. I like to use a brush, so that's why I have to use section by section placement instead of going all around at once. I had a hair on my arm that was tickling my leg. I finally found it. Moving on. The next color that I used is the highlight shade, and this is in Hey Honey, and this is so pretty. It adds such a beautiful glow to the skin, and again, I just literally took the chubby stick, I put it from the apples of my cheek and brought it up my temples a little bit, and then I used the same brush and I blended it down into the cheek, and it just adds such a beautiful glow to the skin, nice and dewy, kind of that wet look. I really like this. It doesn't sit on the skin, it definitely blends into the skin, which is the beauty of using a cream, so it just looks like your skin is glowing from within. So last but not least, we have the shade Sun-Kissed, which is meant for the eyes, but I actually use this to contour the skin because it is a nice brown shade, a little bit warmer, and I use this on my cheekbone, blended it up a little bit, and I'm not going to go over that again because then it'll become a little bit too heavy. What I did find with this particular shade in the kit was that it was a little bit harder to blend. I found that there were certain spots that just wouldn't blend out nicely, and I didn't love the undertone for contouring or really for bronzer, and I get that it's not in this kit meant for that, but I think that when it's purchased on its own, then this can also be used as a blush or a bronzer. So this color I was a little bit iffy about, didn't love it, but also don't hate it. I might use this as an eyeshadow or lipstick instead of using it as cheek color. So what I actually did instead today was I went over that area with my cream bronzer from Chanel. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel on an angled brush from Practic. This is the angled foundation brush. I dipped in here and then just kind of went into that contour area and over where I would put bronzer and blended everything out, and I preferred that look a lot more. So all in all, I think that these are super easy to use, very versatile, love the colors, maybe just didn't love this one too much for me personally, but it doesn't stop me from trying to use it and make it work every time I pull these out. It just is such a beautiful natural glow, natural look to the skin. I'm not wearing any foundation. I'm just using these 3 products with a little bit of concealer underneath the eyes, and it just gives such a beautiful, youthful, natural glow and look to the skin. So if you're looking for kind of a natural, glowing from within, can't really detect that you're wearing makeup but adds a little bit of natural definition to your features, I would definitely give this little mini kit a go. It's super affordable, $22, can't go wrong, and you have a cute little tin that you can use for other things after you're done with the product. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.